Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Beats Studio Pro with your PC. You have to start by pressing time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press this line or click Enter. After that, in this window you need to select Add Device button at the right top, and if you have a Windows 10 you will have this button at the top. In this window you need to select Bluetooth and now we need to turn on these headphones and enter to print mode. So at the bottom of the left ear cup we have System button or Power button or Connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light near to it starts blinking white. We turn on them and now it starts blinking white. So we just enter to print mode and we see them at the device list. Tap at your headphones and then click. Found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!